you guys, it's your girl Minnie and I am back with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here, period. If you've been coming back and you're still not subscribed, what are you doing? Just hit that subscribe button. And don't mind that this is backwards, upside down. It's supposed to be on this side, but I don't have any other ones. So now I know what I need to put on my shopping list. So if you want to see the review on this hair, then let's get right into this video. I have this wig right here from Pazazz. I got it because of the colors. It's like 3-tone colors in here. It has the honey blonde and the brown and the black, which I really liked, and it was really curly on a mannequin. And I was like, oh, let me get that. Sorry for my voice. I'm just getting over being sick. So that's why my voice is kind of sounding the way it is. And we're just gonna bypass it, okay? I don't remember how much I paid for it. I got it from the beauty supply store. I'm sure you can get it for less on the website. So this is it right here. It looks good on the mannequin, so I don't know if it's gonna look good on me. You know what I'm saying? The lace is crunchy and hard as hell, but the lace is not too bad. Doesn't have that much lace base. And it has combs in the nape area and adjustable straps. Let me just put it on real quick. I do not know how I feel about it already. I feel like, let your soul glow. Oh my God, where's the part? There's no part. Can't be. What is that? That's horrible. Nah, homie, that is horrible. Where's my big tooth comb? So the style is Kenya. And the color is F467. I mean, I wouldn't personally get it because there is no part to like even show that it could be your hair or not. Come on, give us something, girl. Give us some. I'm trying to tease it, and it doesn't go side ear to side ear. You see how I have all of this space right here? I really like it, but if it was better, like where's the part? Like, that's crazy. That made it cute. I feel like a Cabbage Patch doll. Trying to tease it, but not too much. I did too much in the front right here. I feel like. Let me put on makeup and see. Let me cut the lace first. How about that? Let me cut the lace. Cutting the lace makes it looser, because this thing was definitely tight. I kind of like this. And it kind of looks natural on the edge part. But being that it don't have a part, it's just like killing the whole vibe. Let me put some powder on the edge. Let's see how it looks with makeup. With makeup, I'm loving this hair. This hair is it for me, sis. I feel like that with this hair. I feel like it. I feel like it. I do. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. The only issue is that it doesn't go side ear to side ear. You see my little hairs here. And it doesn't have a part. Like, what is this? What is that? It looked like it's all matted together. From the front, you can't see it, but up close and personal, you definitely can see it. And the cap is kind of tight. This looks so natural. Like, look at that. Especially since I put the powder in. I really love this wig. It's just had these flaws. Like, if you didn't have these flaws, you would be on the money. Ugh. The color, the curls, the length. But I will give this wig a 7. Comment down below what you think of this hair. And until next time, peace.